Oh, okay. Hi, girlfriend. How are you? You have come again to tell me those nonsense. People are talking about me, telling you that I'm hot. What's wrong with that? If you don't know, baby, this is my career to be a hoe. I buy food, I buy everything. I put food in my table and I eat. So, whatever people say about me, it doesn't matter to me. I don't care. I can go around selling my body for dope. Do you have problem with that? Oh, come on, girlfriend. People are gays. Others are lesbian. No one is talking. So why me? Let me tell you this. I'm gonna die being hot. I'm gonna die doing that. You can talk as much as you want. Because, you know what, girl? If I go in stage, stripping, people goes like this on me. Do you know what men do? They drop their pants. Because the diva is a rap. It's life to be alive. It's very good to be in this world. Oh, bring it on, bitch.